Admirable. Meaning: admirable refers to something or someone deserving of respect, approval, or appreciation due to their qualities, actions, or achievements. Definition: admirable is an adjective that describes something praiseworthy or worthy of admiration because of its excellence or virtue. Examples and sentences. 1. Her dedication to helping the underprivileged is truly admirable. Here, admirable highlights the respect and approval her actions deserve. 2. The team's effort to complete the project ahead of schedule was admirable. In this sentence, admirable emphasizes the praiseworthiness of their hard work. Usage. Admirable is often used to commend behaviors, qualities, or actions that inspire respect and appreciation in various contexts.
English practice.